Starting June of 2021, Google will not be letting us upload unlimited high-quality photos to their platform. So for people like me who really took advantage of this feature for some time, this is a great loss. However, with the ever-growing popularity of cloud storage, we're going to find alternatives so you can still have free solutions for your photo backup needs. Today, we're going to talk about Mega Drive. It's a free and paid cloud storage solution that you can use for your desktop, laptop, and mobile devices. Specifically, I'm going to show you how you can use this service and its application to back up your photos to the cloud. So first off, we're gonna go to the official website of mega.nz. I'm doing this on a Windows 10 machine. You can also do this on your mobile device if you want to, but I prefer to do it on a desktop. And as you can see, this is their website, mega.nz, and you can see that they have a lot of versions of their apps for desktop and mobile. And if you make a new account, you already have 50 gigabytes of free storage. So we're gonna create a quick one right here. And if you already have one, you just log in. Confirm your account through the message that they sent to your email and you log in. That's so easy. Once you have confirmed your account, you can just see the paid versions of this app if you plan to upgrade in the future. It's compelling. 2 terabytes is like $10. And you can see here it's fairly empty. This is your Google Drive folder. This is where you can see your files if you have a lot of files already saved. Let's make a new folder. And we're gonna test I'm gonna show you how to upload. As you can see here, this is an empty folder, and I'm gonna upload. You can also drag directly the files from a file browser, and this will take a while depending on the size of your files. I'm just gonna speed it up right here. So as you can see, the process of creating an account is no hassle at all. And the upload speed is comparable to Google Photos and Google Drive, and the 50 gigabytes of free storage is, if you think about it, is really a lot when you want to save just photos and even videos. You can just save a lot of videos in here, and if you plan to upgrade in the future, it's fairly cheap and you get a lot of storage for your money. But as a free service, it's truly amazing. I have another Mega Drive account that I haven't even used up, to be honest. And as you can see here, we have the Mega mobile apps for Android and iOS. You can see the features. You can just go here and read it for yourself. If you like what you see, then you can just try it out. It's free, no commitment required. This is the Mega mobile application from the Play Store, and this is from the App Store. Up next, I'm gonna show you how you can download the app and log in and enable automatic upload for photos to the cloud. And here we are on the iPad. We're gonna download the app through the App Store. Just search for Mega, and remember that logo that you have seen on their website. That is exactly what you will see here. Let's just search for Mega and then download. And if you visit the actual page itself, you can see that it has a fairly balanced rating. I should say 5 stars and then just 1 star at the bottom, but that's okay. I've tried it myself and it's working pretty fine. And then we just log in using the account that we have created through the website, and then we log in and we allow it to access our photos. You know what Apple does with the security updates and whatnot. You have to allow it. If you don't allow it, it won't upload anything. So that's how secure your photos are. If you don't want it, then don't allow it. But this is the point of it. You have to allow it to allow the application to save all your data to their server, cloud servers. And as you can see, you can view the photos and files that you have uploaded through different devices, desktop or mobile, through the app. And the same thing, you can also add files from your camera uploads. Of course, just gonna check the storage consumption and just go to settings and then enable camera uploads right there. You can also do JPEG, you can upload photos, and you can even choose to enable uploads on specific folders. And you can also enable upload in background. This will enable the background service to run even if the app is not active. So just make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi and not a mobile data, because this will take a lot of data just to upload the rest of your camera folder. And I've opted to upload all of my photos, and right here you can see that it has already uploaded several images on a folder. So that's it, guys. That's how you use Mega Drive and its free service and free 50 gigabytes of storage as an alternative to Google Photos, just in case it stops offering those unlimited high quality uploads to their cloud storage service. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, cheers.